my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna make for you a new beautiful flower arrangement. Again, it's gonna be with some flowers. While I have it, I wanna decorate different kind of variety decorations arrangement. So you see over here this beautiful flowers. Those are my daughter-in-law. She brought me for my birthday, and I enjoyed it for a whole week, and I'm gonna continue to do different things with it before we waste them, which we don't, of course, but I'm gonna do such a pretty arrangement that you're gonna love it, and if you have it, you can do the same. So what I'm gonna do, I have a fan, palm tree fans, I think that's what I call. I'm gonna do something really beautiful. I'm gonna use those for the sides. Let me see, I have over here 3 pieces. I'll put the big one there, the small one here, which more or less they are the same, or maybe I should do this one over here. We will cut this a little extra branch from here so it will look nice and neat. There we go. And this is what's gonna do. Now, I already cut over here the small pieces of the flowers. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fill it here all around. Let's put this one this side. Let's cut this because it's a little too long. Where is my nippler? Here it is. This is very beautiful flowers, I have to say. And you can tell, of course, that how much I love flowers. There we go. We're gonna put one around here. You can buy a pick, or you can put in just a sponge that they sell. You can find any art stores. Just like this. Look, it already looks beautiful without putting anything else. While I have it, I'm gonna use them all. There you go. I think we're gonna just fix this one here. I'm gonna make a little bit tighter and turn a little bit this one to this way. And I have another one here. We have 2 more. So we're gonna make sure that you sharpen the ends so it absorbs a lot of water. They will last for you for a long time. And do not forget, give them always water, because those flowers, they love to drink. You want flowers to last for you for a long, long time. Look how beautiful they are. All right, we have one more. We want to enjoy this one too. We'll take the leaves out and we will put right there. Who doesn't like these flowers like this to enjoy? Now, because I have this, I'm going to put very little again. I have baby breads, just a couple of them, just to give a little accent, contrast, whatever they call. This is very simple arrangement. At the same time, it's very elegant. My cameraman is looking at me and he's smiling. Look at this. There you go. This arrangement is for people they don't know how to arrange. That's how I'm telling you. There you go, couple more. And let's put one more here. We don't need to put too much, just few here and there. So it just, let's put this a little bit up. There you go. And you can put, maybe if you have fern in your garden, which I always do, I cut them and I decorate them, and I enjoy in my house. You can take this to friends, family, for parties. You can always give beautiful flowers like this. Very simple, very elegant, and I'm sure everybody will agree with me. You know what, I think I'm going to put the fern more the sides. I don't want to lose the touch of my fence. I think this will be good enough just the way it is right around here. Just bring it up a little bit. Here it is. Very simple, very elegant, and I think you will agree with me. And here it is. So if you like it, please like and subscribe and enjoy this. Give it to friends, family, like I said. And I thank you very much for watching. This is for you. Thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.